Everybody, we're just here in the office, and I'm going to put on the computer. I'm just going to hold the phone and do a quick screenshot because we just started doing a price calculator on our website. So it's a self-help tool of basically how to get pricing of basic services. So a lot of the details we can't really give because we may not know and you may not know either, because once you get there. But it gives you a good, like for cabinets is the easiest one, doors, drawers, what we're painting, what we're not painting. If we're replacing handles, hinges. So it gives you a pretty good, average of what it's going to cost you. Wallpaper gives you what our base is, but there's a lot of variables, what kind of paper we're doing, room prep, that kind of stuff. So it gives you basics of what our minimum is going to be, which usually, sorry, but that usually eliminates a lot of people once they find out that it's $600 for us to come out. Most people don't call us back. And then we have interior painting, which is by a couple different areas, square footage. So you can put square footage of a house. We get a lot of people asking, before they're moving in, and then you can put per room, and they'll keep adding rooms in there. So it's kind of a cool little tool. And exteriors pretty much is on site. We really can't do much doing it on this way. But let's dive in, and I'll show you how it works, and you can kind of see and play with it yourself. Love your feedback. What you like about it, don't like about it. There's a way we can improve this. We definitely want to do so. Let's dive in, take a peek. All right, so here is our main page for pricing. So it's our instant pricing page. Hopefully the instant pricing page name takes. But anyway, so our pricing made simple. We're trying to, again, be like CarMax of painting. So we're trying to give you as much information as possible on what it costs for our services. You can go to our YouTube channel, of course, our blog posts, schedule an estimate. But here is our newest button. Get an instant quote now. We're just working on it, so as of October 1st. It may have a couple glitches, but just so you kind of see how it works, you click the button and then it just pulls up this box for instant quote. So for cabinets, you're going to put how many doors, drawers, faces, and the faces are like the ends of the cabinets where there's something to be painted. If you want new handles, how many handles? If you're going to replace hinges, how many hinges? And that will give you a basic estimate. It's set up for a base price now of $500. And then here's the option if you want everything's sprayed on site, which will add $800 to it. So it'll give you the price on here, but then if you want something more in writing, it'll send me an email, send you an email with a little bit more detailed information, and then we'll reach out to you again to get something even more detailed with terms, conditions, all that stuff. And then from here you can book an estimate right away. And then here's some of the resources on cabinets, cabinet painting, oil primer, which comes first, cabinets or counters, and some of the best cabinet painters, so say for Crystal Lake area. Wallpaper, we have the same thing kind of built out. It's kind of hard for us to do wallpaper in general, so I have for an accent wall, most accent walls is going to be our base of $679, and then depending how big your room is, so you can kind of put the stuff in there of what you're looking for, and it'll send me the information once you hit send. If we're doing a ton of prep where the walls have to be all drywall work, everything has to be primed, it's a larger room, you expect it to be about $1,000. If there's going to be two people, you expect it to be about $1,200. But for wallpaper in general, it's just really difficult to price out because we don't know what wallpaper you have, and they're all different. Commercial wallpaper gets a little bit easier if you put in square footage. We have some basic pricing based off square footage, and same thing with digital graphics or murals. It's based off square footage. So we can kind of give you some basic information on that. But again, depending on the wall size, what it needs, if it's taller, it may need scaffolding or whatever, that's going to change it. And then interior, again, a little bit easier. So we have a lot of people that call moving into a home. We've got a 3,200 square foot house. So if you put in the 3,200, it'll give you a price, and then it just depends on what you're looking for. So if you're looking for walls only, but if you want walls and ceilings, you don't click it, and then it'll give you a walls and ceiling price. We did not put it in there for trim and doors, windows, because there's so many variations with that. One side, two sides, primer, no primer. There's too much. So, but for a basic, for painting, it's a good enough price. And then you can go on our resources below, FAQs, and it gives you better information. Also, you can kind of get a little bit more detailed before we get there. You can send the information to yourself on kind of what it can look like, but you can book an estimate right from here also. Exteriors, we really, I would love to figure out a good tool for this. but we have found there's a lot of variations on exteriors also. So, on-site pricing because of height and access, what do we need, type of surface prep, lead, no lead, peeling paint, no peeling paint, delamination of the siding, how good the paint is, how much weathering it has, does it need a lot of screws to be put back in, does it need a caulking, wood filler, all that kind of stuff just really affects the final price. So we can't really give it off that. But overall, it's a quick, easy, it's meant to be a ballpark just to kind of see if we're a good fit. And then, there's just a ton of information on our website on pricing. We try and give as much as possible. We want to be as transparent as possible. We want to be able to help you. Hopefully we're a good fit. So there is our Get a Quote Now. And again, we'll be building out a page to explain a little bit more on this also. And they'll have a link in here, get more details. But for now, that's what we have on here. It's a start. And I guarantee you're not going to find other painters that's going to do the same thing. All right, so there's a quick tour of it. Hopefully it looked good. Hopefully you liked it. Definitely give us your feedback, what you think. We're always trying to improve how we can help you and how we can improve our services on that. In the link below, we'll put the actual pricing page. So right now, this is on the instant pricing page. We're doing a blog post. It's going to have a little bit more information, so I'll put a link in there. Make sure in the link below also, there's always a register for a free paint giveaway for every month. We're doing a one room, so we have basically like a little lottery thing that we give away. So make sure you register for that. Again, leave your comments. Love to know what you think, how we can help. If you got questions on other painting stuff in general, let us know. Love to help with that also.